This is the Zupper ProPress Tool, model number PZ-3240, and with little to no plumbing experience, I confidently cut into my main water line and install a whole home water filtration system. This tool gave me the confidence to take on a project that I normally would have hired out, and the results, honestly, looks like a professional did it. I'm not a plumber, just your average DIY guy, and this was my third plumbing project. The first, a hot water recirculation pump. Second, hard plumbing my garage pressure washer and water drop spot-free rinse system. So tackling a live copper line like this, yeah, it was intimidating at first. That's why I went with the ProPress instead of soldering. No flames, no guesswork, just clean, strong connections every time. The Zupper PZ-3240 comes fully loaded. Jaws from 1/2 inch all the way to 2 inches, 2 4-amp batteries, a charger, and a rugged hard case to keep everything organized. Here's what makes it easy, even for beginners. Installing the jaws is simple. Push in, twist, and lock. One button press, hold to crimp, and it automatically releases when done. Made a mistake? Just press the red manual release button and reset and reposition. One feature I really love about this ProPress machine is that the press head rotates 180 degrees. That means you're not locked into a single angle when you're working in a tight or awkward spot. It's one of those small design choices that makes a huge difference when you're in the middle of a job. I ran 1 1/4 inch copper from the main water line, then transitioned to 1 inch from the water drop filter system, used 90 and 45 degree elbows, and ProPress to thread adapters for the flex pipe. Every connection was quick, leak-free using this tool. It felt like a plug-and-play plumbing. And get this, I only used one battery straight out of the box without even charging it, and it lasted me through the entire install. Still had plenty of juice left when I was done. That blew me away. The Zupper PZ-3240 gave me pro-level results with zero stress. Powerful, reliable, and way more affordable than its competitors. If you're working with copper or want professional results without hiring it out, this is your go-to tool.